Quick check on temperatures as we get into the early afternoon here. Again, the clouds out there are keeping us a bit cooler. We're in the 70s as you head back to the west, but getting into the lower and middle 80s as you head to the east. And the satellite and radar picture also showing, again, all of that cloud cover that is pretty much across the entire four-state region. Really not that much sunshine at all. A few breaks in the clouds, but we're likely to keep with more of this overcast sky, especially this afternoon once showers and storms do get going. But again, we do have a lot going on as we go through the overnight hours into your Tuesday. Isaias is going to be tracking its way to the area, and we now still have this flash flood watch that takes effect later on this afternoon, continuing until Tuesday night, and that has been expanded slightly further west into the eastern panhandle of West Virginia, and now also including Fulton County in southern Pennsylvania, because we are expecting rainfall totals anywhere from 2 to 6 inches in many locations, especially as you head to the east. And because of the track of Isaias, it has been shifted back to the west now. We now have a tropical storm warning in effect here in the dark red through Montgomery County, getting into Fairfax County in Virginia, and all the way around the D.C. metro as well, as we are expecting wind speeds 40 to 50 miles an hour as the center of this storm tracks by late tomorrow morning into the early afternoon. So again, that small change just to the west means a lot more impact for our area in terms of the wind and also the rainfall totals. So we're expecting storms not associated with Isaias this evening that's going to bring rainfall through. Then the tropical rain and wind, it starts to arrive tonight. Conditions worsen as we go through the morning, and we'll see that storm pass by again between 10 o'clock in the morning until 2 in the afternoon tomorrow. And as that center passes us by, we'll see the strongest winds and the heaviest rainfall as it makes its way through. So let's check that out here. There's the track. It's going to potentially go back to a Category 1 hurricane before making its way in tomorrow afternoon. And again, you see where the center of that storm is just off to our east, but that rainfall, it tracks again further to the west as we continue along before getting out of here very quickly as we head into your Wednesday. So there's the shower and storm activity that starts to build through the afternoon. That rainfall will push through as we head through the dinner hour into early in the overnight. We catch a very quick break, and then that rainfall is going to build right back in as we head into the morning tomorrow. Again, the further east that you head is where the heaviest precipitation will be. It starts to gradually decline as you head back to the west. But again, just look at the intensity of this precipitation in those dark oranges and reds off to the east. So Frederick, Montgomery counties, getting down into Fairfax County, going to see the highest risk of flash flooding tomorrow with all of this rainfall moving through. The good news is it moves out very quickly, and we are going to start to quiet things down as we head into your Tuesday evening. So some good news there, but checking out the rest of today, we stay quiet, and then eventually we are going to bring back the shower and storm activity later this afternoon. And the rest of the week, starting on Wednesday, also going to be quiet, but we have an active 24 to 48 hours to get through first.